Hello guys and gals. First of all, we would like to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's hope the next one is gonna be a good one. And then we want to give you an update on what's been going on. So after our last video, when we came home, we contacted the service department at Oliver, and they assured us that they will exchange the back window. All we have to do is drive there one more time and have it done. So we will do that in January. We're gonna go back there, and you can see by this picture that we're gonna be driving to Hohenwald with plastic on our back window.
And duct tape.
And duct tape. Plastic and duct tape on our back window.
Should be in everyone's toolbox.
Don't leave home without duct tape and plastic sheets. Yeah. As far as the Easy Start, George fixed it. The only problem with it was that it had never gone through the proper startup procedure. So once he did that, everything was working perfectly. Also, another thing that he did, he resealed the whole top of the Oliver, so there are no more leaks. Another thing that happened after we got home is that I had to have surgery to my right leg. Some of the hardware below my knee had to be taken out. One of the 2 plates and 8 of the many screws. So you can see here by the photos what they've done to my leg and how it looked. It's been through a lot. And right now I'm trying to recover. I'm still very swollen. There's pain. I have to go through some physical therapy. And hopefully I won't have to have anything else, but I don't know at this point. That surgery that I had, that was the 9th surgery. 9th. Hopefully that's the last one. But I don't know.
It's the bike crash that keeps on giving.
Yeah, it's the bike crash that keeps on giving. When I heal from my knee, I'm gonna do stem cell treatment to both knees. So let's hope that that will help. Because right now I'm in pain with my left knee. And I would really like to avoid a 10th surgery. We were planning to go to Arizona for the winter, but obviously that could not happen. But we will go west as soon as possible. And in spring there is the Oliver Rally coming up. And hopefully we will be able to attend that. That's pretty much what's been going on in a nutshell. And I don't know if I left something out. If there's anything else that you would like to know, just ask away. And I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done it already. That would really be great, because we're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, which George doesn't care, but I do. So that would be nice if we could do that. That's pretty much it. So please subscribe, like, and comment, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.